Bitcoin was one of the few assets heading higher this week as fears about the coronavirus outbreak led a steep fall in global markets. The benchmark cryptocurrency on Tuesday was up by 1.91% to trade near $1 per token in spot markets. At the same time, CM futures linked to Bitcoin were also trading 0.5% higher at $1. The moves uphill suggested that speculators were increasing their exposure on the cryptocurrency. That was further evident in the weekly performance of GAPCH, an institutional-grade trust tied to Bitcoin. The OT stock jumped 3.59% in the last 2 days, further suggesting an influx of large capital from accredited investors. GAPCH last year had raked in about $600 million worth of investments.
GAPCH on a path to recovery as investors' appetite for risk-off mounts against global crisis vertical/source. TradingView.com. Risky opportunity increases. Bitcoin and Bitcoin-related derivatives typically do well in times of global macroeconomic and geopolitical crises. And it appears the world is under one right now. Global markets remain under pressure with the rising death reports in China due to coronavirus. European shares, for instance, recorded their worst daily performance in 4 months this Monday. Asian stocks, too, got caught up in the selling frenzy. In a statement published last week, China's securities regulator suggested traders to objectively analyze the coronavirus outbreak. The office indicated that a Massachusetts hysteria about the so-called epidemic could be falsely negating stocks' values. On the other hand, economists at Goldman Sachs said that investors could remain outside risk-on markets unless the coronavirus situation comes to a halt.
The sentiment leaves investors with a choice to migrate some part of their capital to safe havens. Gold, as treasuries, Japanese yen are all their go-to assets as the crisis looms over. Bitcoin, a relatively new and unfound haven, is also behaving like a hedging asset against the fears of the coronavirus outbreak. In the simplest chronology, investors particularly in mainland China could be pumping Bitcoin, especially when You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.